National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Warren County and east central Georgia, east central Putnam County and central Georgia, northern Hancock County and east central Georgia, southeastern Greene County and east central Georgia, Tolover County and east central Georgia, until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Shoulderbone, or 10 miles northwest of Sparta, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sparta, Crawfordville, Union Point, White Plains, Siloam, Sharon, Reynolds at Lake Oconee, Liberty, Springfield, Vesey, Robinson, Daniel Springs, Rockville, Welton, Barnett, Shoulderbone, Lineville, Raytown, Alexander Stevens Park and Sandy Cross. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.